Okay, we are now joined by ANC National Spokesperson Pule Mabe to hear what the governing party would like to hear this evening. Mr. Mabe, good morning and thank you very much for your time. We just played a package there with our reporter talking to different people and analysts about what they are looking forward to. People saying they want more action, that the president must stop being a people pleaser. What is the governing party expecting tonight?
Good morning, Braden, and morning to your viewers. Of course, we are expecting that when the president presents the State of the Nation's address tonight, he will outline measures that our government is undertaking to fight the coronavirus pandemic and elaborate more on the practical steps that they will be implementing over the coming few weeks as it relates to vaccination, but also making sure that the capacity of our own health settings is also reinforced, including the kind of support measures that will be given to frontline workers who are involved in fighting this deadly virus and making sure that lives are saved. So we expect that there will be a clear plan on the work that is being undertaken in that regard. But more importantly, because you know, Braden, that we had just emerged from our own the African National Congress, and we had dealt with the number of issues which we felt should become priorities. We are hoping that those issues would be infused into the State of the Nation's address, notably economic recovery and economic reconstruction. This was also a theme that came to characterize our own January 8 celebrations this year. We said that restarting the economy and making sure that we reconstruct our own economy is going to be one of the priorities that our government must place its attention on, so that those that would have lost their jobs, economic sectors that might have been compromised by the pandemic on our shores, are also able to recover. People could still be able to go and do the works that they have always been doing.
Okay.
So that can only happen if there is a clear plan to reconstruct and recover our own economy. So we are expecting the president to also speak about what they are doing to make sure that what they will be doing to make sure that our economy is recovered.
We've had many plans before, and everybody's expecting something about the economy. All the people you speak to, everybody's expecting that, as you yourselves are expecting, and of course around how we're going to deal with COVID-19 and the vaccine rollout. That's a given. But we've had other plans before. Should we expect something different from your Lekgotla as the governing party? Have you impressed upon the president and the government that there has to be different? It cannot be the same as in the past.
Correct. You are right, Braden. We said that we need bold steps taken. We need to move with greater speed. We have also said that whole of the district development delivery model, the DDM that is being driven at the level of COCTA, should allow us to make sure that we no longer work in silos. That part of what they must be focusing their attention on is to make sure that there is integrated planning across the rest of government, so that there is no continuous rehashing and repetition of the same old plans. There must be an understanding that what is being done at the national, provincial, district, and municipal level is clearly synchronized, and that they are able to achieve results that turn around the living conditions of our people. We said that issues
should we expect very briefly a sense of urgency tonight that will come out from the president?
True. Well, that is one of the things that we emphasized in our own Lekgotla, that in all the plans that the president is going to be articulating tonight, there must also be a sense of speed. People must have an understanding that these are the things that are going to be happening, and they are going to be happening much sooner. If we say that, then give them sort of a time frame of sort on some of the projects in Atlant, whether it's on economic recovery, whether it's on fighting COVID-19, whether it's on our own desire to build a better Africa and a better world, whether it's on making sure that we have got an ethical developmental state, measures that are taken by government to fight corruption, making sure that we've got a disciplined public
Okay, the line is not... Sorry, Mr. Mabe, your line keeps on breaking, but we get the sense that the ANC, out of its rukla, you've also impressed upon the President and the government for a sense of urgency. We'll have to wait and see what's going to come out tonight. Thank you very much for your time this morning. That's the national spokesperson of the ANC, Pule Mabe, about the governing party's expectations. They are also expecting a sense of urgency and speed in the implementation of whatever programs to recover the economy and to roll out the COVID-19 vaccines that the President will be announcing tonight. We'll have to wait and see.